All right. Welcome back. Guess who's back? Back. Let me just mute myself there. It's been a while, so let me get accustomed again. Get the chats going. Yo. Welcome. I was gonna play the Eminem song, Guess Who's Back, but I can't because it's copyrighted. So instead, I just got to do this boring intro here. All right, it's been a minute. A lot has changed since the last time that I live streamed. By the way, guys, let me know if the audio is good, if the music's good, if you can hear the music even at all. I'm actually still currently kind of testing out a new entry strategy. Same strategy overall, still the order zones, but I'm testing out a new entry strategy, so that's gonna be fun. I've already been testing it, but now I've modified it even more. So this is actually my first week trading this, so I don't know, maybe I picked a bad week to come back to streaming, because I'm still, it's, you know, a test is a test. It can go either way, but you know what? We're going to do it anyways. Everything's good. All right, perfect. All right, so let me get situated. We got NQ up 1% already today. So let's take a look-see here. Daily chart. Pretty much straight up, right? And if we take a look at ATR, it's 503. I don't think you can see it on your screen, but 503 is the ATR, and we've put in 400 points so far. So that is decent volatility we got going on today. So hopefully we'll get some good price action. Take a look at VWAP. It's pretty much just been straight up. So maybe we'll come back down to that VWAP at some point. I remember somebody in the group tested that, the probability of price coming back down to VWAP. I forget what he said, but I just remember that VWAP tends to be tested at some point in the day. So, oh, that's all the way down here though. Who knows? Maybe we'll get a complete reversal. But we've been just completely chopping around on the daily chart for like the last few weeks, if not months even. Geez. So I feel like we're due. For a decision here. Either we start that uptrend again and come back to the highs, or we just enter a bear market. Those are pretty much the only two options, right? So. All right, market's about to open here. 9:28, 2 minutes till market open. First stream back. Let's see if we can make it a good one. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Honestly, I'm not used to streaming. I had a good few months of just sitting on my chair and waiting for market to open while watching YouTube or something on the side. So now I can't do that. Now I have to actually talk, which is different. How's everyone's trading doing? Anybody make some progress over the past few months? Any OGs? By the way, I'm not streaming on TikTok. If anyone remembers that, I just quit that entirely. Not worth it. I am live on Kick though. Here we go. Market open. Let's go to the active trading. All right, it looks like we swept some highs and took out some liquidity, and now we're just dumping straight dump. Holy crap. Seconds left on this candle. I also have a... Oh, wow. Holy crap. I have a theory on how to pass evals very quickly without having to wait for like CPI or non-farm payroll or whatever. I mean, I'm not going to try it out today because there's clearly some pretty choppy stuff. But oftentimes when the market opens, sometimes you'll get just, strong closing candles. And if you just buy or sell on the next candle, high or low, like after the candle closes towards its highs, for example, like if this were to close all the way up here, if you just get long right above that candle, oftentimes you'll just get another ginormous God candle with almost no drawdown. And so you can just like full port off the open and try to catch a big opening move, because the market, Nasdaq, likes to do that once in a while. Not even once in a while. It's pretty often. Oh god, need to sneeze. Made progress, but I've been taking a break. The market's choppy, been choppy, and unmitigated order zones really work well with the MWD. Yeah, markets definitely have been choppy. That's for sure. Here, I'll show you all an example of what I'm talking about how to pass this eval. Here's market open yesterday, right? So you get a bunch of chop in the beginning, but then you just get like straight lines towards the early morning. You'll just get straight moves like this. Like if you were to just get long anywhere on a strong closing candle, here, 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 like literally any of those candles. If you're just trying to catch it as it breaks higher, if you're full porting, I mean, it could work. I haven't tried it yet, but I just have a theory. It's just a game theory. While you guys are here, appreciate if you like it. The stream, first stream back. Just winging it here. Don't know. Listen, guys, you guys know me. I'm constantly changing my mind on things, so this is just a test. We'll see if I keep streaming. But I do want to get back into streaming. So I got a little inspired by TJR's 30-day stream. Even though you guys know how I feel about it. You guys hear the music? Need a personal Timmy? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there's a strong closing candle on the wick the high there. Right now, just waiting, guys. Don't really have any setups here. Yes, the classic kick bots. I always get excited when I see some kick viewers and it's just bots. Hey, Slack Cooper. Yes, I'm back. And not back on TikTok. I quit TikTok. Morning night build audio. Yeah, I was on a bit of a break / study session. Are there any course members in the chat? Dang, still straight up. live trade. Well, it was every morning. But I'm going to try to stick to it every morning, 9:30 a.m. New York session. Sly Cooper, yeah, basically. Yes, this is NQ. Although I was mentioning earlier in the stream, I'm still testing out a new entry method. It's still the same strategy. It's order zones, but I'm experimenting with an new entry strategy. So today is my first week actually doing it. I mean, I've tested it in the back testing, but we all know that's different than live trading. So we'll see how it goes. Wayne, your course member. Yeah, I was just gonna say I've been meaning to make a video on the new entry. I don't know what I would call it. New entry model. I hate the word model though, but everybody uses it. But the problem is I just keep finding potential better ways of doing it, and so then I have to go test the better way. So I don't make the video yet because I want to make sure if there's a better way, I want to teach that, you know what I'm saying? So I hope to make that new video probably this week. Add it to the course. Is there news? I mean, volume is just falling off a cliff right now. There's 10 o'clock, barely any news though. NAHB Housing Market Index. What the hell? The market's just dying right now. There's no volume. What you have taught me already has had me pass an eval. Hell yeah. Love to hear it. See if we can get a gosh darn trade today. Excuse me. Ooh, that may have been loud. Gosh. What pair? This is NQ. This is NQ, not a pair. How I missed answering the same questions every day. No shade to you. It's just funny. I need to put like NQ somewhere. I forgot that I have to do that. Oh my god, I got like allergies or something. I'm not allergic to anything, but right now I'm having some allergies. All right, let's see if we can get along here. Oh, not sure what that was all about. Here's a little order zone I'm looking at right now, 30-second chart. Well, may not get anything here. Let's see. You could always do something on the side, gaming or even cooking. Oh, I just deleted Arc Raiders because of how addicted I was to it. I was actually considering doing something like live streaming gaming and trading, but it's like, how do you even do that? But I had a great name for it, dude. I was going to call it ARC Traders. ARC Traders. Ah, banging name. Let's see if we can get a continuation here. Nope, not looking good there. All right, scalped out. So it is holding the order zone, but we just went straight into chop for ARC survival. Yeah, that's the problem. It's like, how am I supposed to play games and trade at the same time? I can barely stream and trade at the same time. It's gonna dump to overnight gap. Where's the gap? I don't know, maybe I'm blind. I don't see a gap. Oh crap. Let me try it. Let me try an entry here. It needs to go like now though. Put a stop there. Ugh. Come on, man. Don't kill me with his chop. Ugh. Alright. Well, here is the zone right now. Just being chopped up. Those two trades were worth it though. If you'll notice, super small stops. It don't even faze me. You doing NASDAQ? Yep. This is NASDAQ. So far, we had some nice price action in the beginning, but now we're just getting chopped. Slightly red on the day. Let's see if we can make a comeback. Should be able to if we get some decent price action. But if we stay choppy, of course, that will not end well. Next time you go live, I'm going to take a trade with you. Hey, man. Trade at your own risk. Right now, this is looking pretty weak. We might have to come back down to all the way down to the lows potentially, unless we get a monster reversal here. But oh, there's some action. This is 30-second chart, by the way. I don't want this to go too high up now. I need to be able to enter. Okay. Damn. Jesus Christ. Well, it's pretty much at the target now. I just said, unless we get a monster reversal here, and there we go. Boom. Just crazy. Now just gotta wait for the next trade. Next zone. Bollocks. Damn it. Close outside the order zone? No. I'll show you. Right here. There's the zone. Almost did, but... Dang, man. Definitely missed the boat on that one. Well, at least volume's back now. Volume died for a minute. Now we got some more. Problem is, when we're just going straight up like this, it's pretty difficult to get a trade. Let's see. Oil's down. Bitcoin. Oh, crypto's pumping right now. Dang. Not much of a zone forming here. Looking to enter 24,680. I can see why you're looking there, but there's not quite an order zone formed yet. Maybe if we get this low here and slowly drift down. We'll see. I'll show it. I'll show it once it's formed. But right now it's just volatile. go on over to TradingView. This is the 30-minute chart. Or hourly chart. You can kind of see we're in a bit of the area of supply right now. So, I mean, we've had multiple green candles in a row. Could be due for a pullback. Not that it means much. I mean, I'm just going to trade what I see on the 1 minute, 30-second chart anyways, but... Y'all see the TJR drama? I haven't watched the video yet, but apparently he got exposed hard. Cupboard Weller, yes, what's up, exposed how? I don't know, I haven't watched the video yet on this, but I'm gonna watch it probably after this stream. I don't know, apparently Iman Trading did some deep dive research. I mean, I've been saying, like, it's hard to know as much as I know about all these guys and not say anything, because there's no point in saying anything. I like respect to Iman, but nobody's gonna change. People are just stupid, you know. Like, TGR has been exposed many times, but it's like every year people just do it again and again, and nothing changes. I don't know. I've been around a long time, and nothing ever changes. All right, maybe we'll get along, perhaps. Not quite there yet. That's about where I'm looking. One-minute chart. So yes, about 24,680. Dang, do I have the pricing on TradingView? Yeah, okay. Well, volume's dying again. What is going on today? And I am not excited for summer. Summer is going to be some terrible trading. I just got a feeling it's going to be some terrible markets. Although we do have the crazy stuff going around Iran and stuff, so maybe that'll wake it up a bit. Just waiting on the zone here. So let's see. Ooh. So we tagged the zone. Got this big wick here. Decent jump in volume as well. See if we can get an entry. God, this is not a great candle, but I'm gonna try it. I'll go to break even too. Actually, I'll just trail. It's barely any risk anyways. There we go. Now I'll go to break even. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to trail here. Come on. How many seconds left? Yeah, I'm just going to keep trailing this. It's right at supply here, so I don't want to take the risk. It's probably going to keep going, but there we go. Nice little trade there. And there's the rejection. You see, supply to the left, supply to the left. Gotta be careful. Gotta always be watching. Still, very easily could go to the highs, but I just didn't want to deal with exactly this. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Oof. Well, now I regret it, but it doesn't matter. All right, well, you guys saw it there. There you go. First winner back. First winner back. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. It's okay. I got out like here. It's not too bad. So that trade. So let me spit some game here. And this goes back to something that I have always, not always, but I've taught for at least the last few years, or at least last year. Like, let's look at my trades today, and we'll switch to a bar chart. Okay, and look at the difference between my winner and my loser. All right, 2 losers for barely anything. Actually, this is kind of a big loser, relatively, to what my strategy is supposed to do. So that's actually kind of a fluke. But look, this is a $125 loss, $90 loss, and then this, what was this? $475 win, right? So, and that, I mean, this could have been a monster winner if I just gave it more room, but it's okay. It's all right. First trade back, or first stream back, we're chilling. So, just making sure your winners are much bigger than your losers. Cut your losers quickly, or cut your losers at least as soon as you kind of know that it's unlikely to go in your favor, basically. Easier said than done, right? But that's why I have the whole 15 video course. And again, course members, I'm gonna make a whole video on this new entry strategy, which honestly you can kind of figure it out if you're watching closely. All right, so 10 o'clock, we got the 10 o'clock candle here. There's a little bit of news. Oh my God. A lot of volatility. How do you get those lines so you can mouse over to see P&L? You go to configure chart, top left. This little cog here, you can barely see it on YouTube, but it's top left of your chart. You hit NQ, and then you do trade lines, show fills, and trade lines. And that will do it. Or you can just go here. God, you can barely see it on YouTube. But again, top left, there's a little box thing that's called chart settings. You can just hit show fills, and that'll plot everything on. I usually keep mine off just because I don't, it's like a psychology thing, like especially if I'm taking a lot of trades and I just see all of my trades on the chart. I don't know, I don't like seeing my losers, so I just keep it off. It makes everything cleaner, and I don't, you know, if I lose, I don't see it. It's out of sight. It's gone. Don't want to see the losers on the chart. We just move on to the next one. Alright, so 10 o'clock came and went. Let's see, I don't really see much right now. For now. That trade happened fast, huh? I know the trade copiers are not going to be happy about that. Good thing I'm not on TikTok anymore. TikTok was especially bad. So do you still trade for only the first hour? Yeah, pretty much. I honestly may not take another trade today. We'll see. It'll have to be a pretty good setup. By the way, guys, first stream back, if you wouldn't mind liking it for that YouTube algorithm, that would be much appreciated. Trading live. Good to see you. Recent trade was based on new strategy. Sorry, somehow I didn't get it. It's not a new strategy. It was here. Let's do some review. It was a textbook order zone. Maybe not textbook. It was actually a little bit harder to spot. A lot of you, I'm sure, would say that this is the correct area of demand, and you're not wrong. It is definitely an area of demand. But I don't know. I guess this is where the difference comes down to experience. I just mark out. Honestly, it was kind of just a gut feeling. I'm not gonna lie. Like this, it's just a visual thing for me at this point. Like this, I know is going to be the real area of demand. It's because it's like this is where the consolidation happened, right? It's these two candles, not just this candle. It's these two candles. This is also the low of the entire consolidation range. So if I were to just mark this candle and then mark that low, that doesn't really make much sense. So that's what it should look like. And then here's the low, the liquidity sweep that we talked about, right? Boom. That's another reason why the demand is a little bit higher up, because I wanted to get in as soon as that liquidity was swept. So this zone just makes more sense. Once again, I call it the framework, not the code, because it's a way of thinking rather than an exact formula, right? You got the consolidation, the demand, you got the liquidity, and then pretty much entered right as it was making this push higher. And that is part of a new entry strategy. Not new strategy, but a new entry strategy. I'm basically trying to catch it as soon as it's going to make the move, rather than try to predict the move happening ahead of time within the zone. So far today, it's been a success. Is this gold? No, it's NQ. Nasdaq. Alright, let's see if I can find another setup. Right now, don't see much, because this giant... Excuse me. This giant candle kind of ruined everything. Darn. Blew your other account? How so? What'd you do? Honestly, this is not easy trading conditions right now. It's just chopping around back and forth. Yeah, very, very wiki price action. Look at this, is the 1 minute chart on TradingView. Ugh. I mean, it's slowly going higher, but it's just shaking everyone out in between. Will this price action be a mess all week because of the contract rollover? True, I forgot about that. Yeah, that could affect it. Does get a little wonky. Dang, I really chose the worst week to come back, huh? I totally forgot about that. Ninja Trader was named after you. Hey, that would be a... Oh my god, here we go with the yawning. Anyways, let's not get into that rant. If Ninja Trader wasn't a software, that would be a great social media name. Ninja Trader. New demand zone, yeah. Yes. But not a new order zone. We'll have to wait for that. There's also kind of right there as well, but this is on a 30-second chart, and I don't know, that's just a bit, you don't got much room if you're trading up there, you know, you're basically at the highs, so probably not going to look at that. Did you guys like my little stream bumper? Check it out, check it out. We're in the big leagues now. Well, straight up. Need a theme tune, yeah. Yeah, do need a theme song. Maybe I can use AI to make one. If this trade is successful, share your playlist after. Playlist. I'm not sure what you mean by playlist. Any link to Discord? I actually stopped putting the link to the Discord on my YouTube videos, but if you go to the one of the older ones, not even that old, like go back to a video that's like 3 months old on my YouTube channel and you'll find the link in the description. Oh, the songs in the background, they're from Epidemic Sound, and I literally just, let me see if I can show you. No, I can't. It's Epidemic Sound, and I just typed in lo-fi music. There is no playlist. This is just random music, so I'm sorry I don't have can't give you all the tracks. But yeah, Epidemic Sound, typed in lo-fi, and I just played the first thing that popped up. Jewish theme song by AI would be pretty radical. Yeah, I don't know if the YouTube would like that though. We're getting some movement here. Getting some movement. So we just rejected the 750 area. There's that little demand holding right now. Dang, should I trade this? Maybe not. Let's not ruin the good day so far. This is 30-second chart. Oh my God. Once I start yawning, I don't stop. We have to switch on over to the 1 minute chart. It's definitely getting a little slow. Or, I mean, just, I don't know how to describe it, but you know when you go in a time frame that's too small and the candles start looking choppy like that? You see how it's just gapping? Yeah, I think we're gonna have to switch on over to 1 minute. There's also, again, there's just no volume. Volume just keeps dying out. This is 1 minute chart now. We're a long way away from VWAP. I feel like we could potentially just get a big old sell-off. We'll see. we've done 4 new highs so far. 4 new highs in a row. If we get back to 24, 7, 12-ish, back here, I may trade it. If not, might be end of the day for me. Why don't you take swing trades? I don't know. I just like day trading. It's more fun. And I also feel like with day trading, when you're watching almost every tick, you can get a better feel for strength. Whereas if you're watching an hour chart, you can't watch it actually move. You're just kind of seeing the candle at the end of when it closes, basically. But like, it kind of matters what happens in between. Like if you see a candle slowly make a big green candle like this and kind of just this is gonna be hard to explain, but like there's a difference in the speed. Like the speed in which orders come in makes a difference. It can give you information. Like the faster we're moving, the more orders are taking in, the more important those orders may be, right? Because that means people are making decisions quickly. Like right now we're kind of slow, but like look at that. See it. See how you can see it's starting to speed up. You can see people are starting to taking more trades now. It doesn't mean it's going to be 100% accurate, but I just like being able to see that. I like being able to see the change in the speed of the trades. Swing trades has more accuracy. Depends. Like you see how we were slow, we were moving slowly, and then we all of a sudden just started going crazy and then finished green. I mean, that tells you that a bunch of buyers were just buying there. And now it makes sense why we're still going higher, right? Whereas if you just saw this candle alone, I mean, it's still a strong candle, but you just may not quite be as confident or just know what you're looking at, right? And now look at the speed of the sellers coming in, right? So now sellers are coming in pretty strong. And now we're slowing down again. Now we're speeding up. Well, we definitely have an order zone now. Will I take it? I don't know. We'll see. This thing might just blow right through anyways. And which time frame you look for market? Is it 1 hour candles or 4 hour? I only trade the 1 minute and 30 seconds, pretty much. 1 minute time frame and 30-second time frame. Lately, I've been really liking the 30-second time frame especially when the market's opening, first hour, first 30 minutes. Chop, look at this chop. Chop, chop, chop. Oh yeah, guys, take advantage of the Apex sale going on right now. I think it ends, what, in a few days? Well, let me double check. What I've been doing is I just buy a new eval every day. Whenever there's a sale, I just buy one eval a day. And I'll just like full port the eval, or at least trade it aggressively. It's like 20 bucks a day, you know? There's 3 days left, 85% off. So you can get it. You can get an account for 20 bucks if you use code ST. You can also go to simpletraderfunding.com. Links in the description. How you see the market, if it's bullish or bearish, like market structure. Yeah, I used to do like you know, higher time frame analysis and stuff, but now I just focus on just trading the time frame that I'm on. And that's it. Just literally, this is an uptrend, so I'm bullish. Just keep it simple. Dang, this market is slow today. It's not even 10:30 yet, and we're already slowing down. I feel like a big move's coming. It's gotta be. This looks like it's just winding up for something. Big move toward the downside, maybe. And still bullish right now, but I mean, it's barely moving. Jeez. Gold dump. Oh yeah, gold. What's gold do? Okay. Let's check. Is the Dow Jones? Dow Jones is up. S&P is up. NASDAQ up. Everything is just kind of moving in the same direction. Gold is down on the day. Man, gold is moving. Or was moving nice in the early morning. Hey, gold's kind of in an order zone right now. Well, looks like it's about to be invalidated, but I've never traded gold, but some people say the zones work on gold, so. God, man. NQ, come on. Do something. Looking to take one more trade today if we can. Yo, Scratch, what's up? Today, so far, we're up a little over $200. Not really a crazy day. We had a $125 loss, a $90 loss, and then a $475 gain. Market's not moving too much today. You still on 2 PT accounts? Right now, I've been testing new entries. So for that, I use Apex. I've been using Apex a lot lately. I think they're doing good. Although their PA fee is like $125 now, that I don't like. So again, if you're trying to just really go for a payout and you're serious, you know, TPT, Take Profit Trader is definitely better still. $100 flat rate, I think. Or it's like 120, something like that. No, Steph, not yet. Yeah, they have been saying it's better, so we'll see. Hopefully we can do it on stream. Oh, there we go. They are moving. Come on. Oh, here comes the dump, man. Watch us just go down 200 points. Well, we're in the zone, but this is really strong, so not gonna take this. Yep, it's blown through. God dang it. I knew it. I knew we were winding up for this stupid move. I should have just taken a short as soon as we started doing this, but whatever. It's not part of my strategy, so I didn't do it. I feel like I need an eval just for messing around. I'll do that, actually. We'll do that. Let me make a note of that. Just have an eval ready for trading based off of vibes, you know? Yeah, you could just tell there was something brewing, right? Like, it was just way too sideways. Way too slow. Long for sure. I'd be careful going long right now, just because of the strength in this move down. A lot of momentum. I mean, we could go all the way back down to VWAP down here potentially. The only other trade that I could see is potentially getting short up here somewhere. Oh, I didn't. Hold on. This area here. Potentially short, but like I was saying, VWAP is all the way down here, so I mean, it's not completely impossible that we just dump down to VWAP. Don't tell me we're just gonna die out again. Just go sideways again. Chop around. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So right now we're just kind of waterfalling. We're actually into the that old previous order zone that we traded profitably today. The one winner for today was this zone right here. Now we're back into it. Let's see if this has a good reaction. Maybe I'll consider long, but right now it's not looking good at all. It's just kind of falling through like a rock. Like I said, we could go all the way down to VWAP. This is not worth getting long. Oh, wait. It's looking pretty good now, but I kind of don't trust it. Screw it, I'll try it. We'll try this last trade and then get off. Let's see. Oh, I might miss it. No, we're good. It's gotta go. No. Come on. Risking like what, $70 here? Yeah. Alright. Just no momentum. Great candle there, but you see it's just faking out. Let's see, what was that? $85. How is that $85? It's literally like a point. Man, it's so easy to lose money, huh? The game is rigged. Let me actually check how many points that was. That seems... I mean, that is like... Look at how tiny that stop loss is. And that's $100, basically. It's 4 points. That was 4 points? You see, we're just getting faked out here. I knew I couldn't trust it, but we YOLO'd it. There's a lot of momentum to the downside. Just too much selling pressure. Probably going to go down to VWAP. I'll take another long here just for the stream if we get another big reaction, but I don't think this is really worth trading anymore, at least to the long side, buy side. Definitely would rather short it if we go a little bit higher. Yeah. Alright, so now that zone is definitely not tradable. Look at that. Waterfall. Should we just take a short here? Need a YOLO account. Need to get the YOLO eval account. Alright, so now we're back to the opening candle, basically. Definitely bearish. Maybe we can get a short setup. We'll see. It's just going sideways. Look at this. This is the 30-second chart. Just barcode. we get back up to 24,675, we could potentially look for a short. Potentially. Who knows if we'll even get there, though, with this kind of momentum. Yeah, I'm so hungry right now. I need to eat something. Are you already sleepy, bro? Yeah, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I didn't make any coffee today and didn't get good sleep, so... I'm kind of always sleepy, if you haven't gotten that yet. The bags under my eyes. My eyes are like purple. It's hard to see in this light. Well, we're not pulling back. Since you've been gone, I also gotten way better, but for months I was stuck in a terrible revenge trading spell, but now I've been passing evals left and right. Let's go! Glad to hear it, Sly Cooper. You live alone or with family? I live with my girlfriend. Barcodes. Yeah, man, it's getting pretty boring here. Oh yeah, and my dog. How could I forget my dog? Oh. Damn, man. Some slow markets. Did you catch anything? Yes. Earlier in the stream, we got a pretty nice winner. I'm too lazy to show it, honestly. It was back here. This zone right here. Took along to the highs. Oh, market's moving now. So we do have an order zone. Bearish order zone right there. Why NASDAQ? Why not other pairs? NASDAQ moves, usually. Not today, but... And NASDAQ's the only pair, or the only asset that I've traded order zones on. It's kind of like where I discovered them, so... They work on gold. Yeah, everybody says that. Well, gold's just a straight rocket ship down right now, so Okay, let's see if we can get one more trade. Get these trumpets out of my ear. Alright, looking at 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Don't tell me we're just gonna blow up to the highs now. Oh, come on. No. Alright. Well, we didn't get the zone. Which means we have to wait longer now. I don't know if I want to wait longer, to be honest. By the way, guys, if you haven't gotten the free ebook, puts this whole strategy into a nice little PDF file with a checklist and stuff. You can check that out. I'll link in description. Okay, moving back now. Back up. Oh wow, what a reversal. Please bring it back up to the order zone. Got some Home Depot music going on right now. Dang it, man. Right back down. There's VWAP. Look at this. All the way back down to VWAP. Yeah, I need to get rid of this music. I put lo-fi. How is this lo-fi? So now we're at VWAP. That's crazy. How many points? We have dropped 140 points. 150 points. Rejecting this supply area. I definitely want to see if we can get a short before I end the stream. not seeing too much. Jesus, what's going on? We're just pumping back and forth. This is the 1 minute chart here. We got a little zone, potentially, hopefully. The exposure right now. Turn it down. Nose is itchy. Oh my God. NASDAQ and gold have the same accuracy as far as I've tested them. Interesting. Maybe I'll have to trade gold. You know what I want to do? I want to do like those react videos where like where you guys send in videos to react to. In the Discord. God, what is up with this camera right now? I am so hungry. I just want to take my last trade, see if we can get a short, and go eat. Come on. Come on. Okay, we've officially tapped the zone. Wow, this music is god awful. This is not even lo-fi. Oh my God. I don't really love that now we're trying to get short after we've already tested VWAP. That's something that I'm not loving, because this could just be a VWAP bounce. But nonetheless, we'll see. All right, just going sideways for now. Man, this market is so dead. Oh, we're moving. Okay. Jeez, man. Well, I'm glad I didn't get filled there. Just right back up. This is 1 minute chart. Like, what is that? What is that? What a weird market today. And now it's really starting to go. It's really accelerating. Jesus. No trade there. Still hasn't traded above the high here. But this looks like it wants to go to that high or so. Wouldn't be surprised if it does. Why did you take that? I didn't take it. I never got filled. No trade, no trade. Okay. 9, 8. Still no trade. I probably shouldn't be trading at all right now. It's this market is moving so slow and choppy. But we'll see if we can squeeze out another trade. She's gonna shoot back up now. All right, I'm short. It's just chopping. It's just chopping around, man. Scalped it out. Honestly, probably should have used a bigger stop loss there, but again, I don't really love this time of day right now. This market is just so slow. We're not getting really any follow through on moves. See if we re-enter. Yeah, see, I should have used a bigger stop loss. That was just not even following my rules. Sometimes NASDAQ acts women. Right back up, man. Right back up. Just need one good trade, and we'll be in the green. But man, is this... I mean, I should have had my stop above this candle high, but instead I had it above the candle open, and it just tagged me out very quickly. I would still be in this trade according to my rules, but it's okay. It happens. You live and you learn. This thing's probably just gonna go right back up anyways. Yeah. Man, I hope this whole week isn't gonna be like this, where it's just choppiness and wicks all over the place. Yeah. Roll over. God, I should have started. I should have started streaming next week. It was a bad week to come back. What's up, Mr. Bewitch? Bewitch. Again, though, this is like kind of winding up. See how slow we're trading? See, now we're starting to speed back up. This might actually be a decent long. Did we? No, never mind. Oh, come on. Probability of me winning trades at this time is very not good, but I did say I'm trying to get one more trade before we end the stream, and either way I don't risk much at all, so but I do need to get an eval account just for messing around. Okay, now we're getting some serious movement. If we can continue that would be great. Okay, I'm short. Let's hope this thing doesn't just zip right back up. Let's see if we can get a big push lower. God dang it. Failing again. Come on. Has to go. Has to go now. Right now. Ugh. God. Alright. No more trading. Alright. What? Small red day? Yeah, small red day. Took many trades that were just not ideal for the stream. It's okay. I was just trading on eval today anyways, but not necessarily an eval that I'm okay with just blowing necessarily. So tomorrow I'll definitely probably take those worst trades on a different eval. But man, today was just chop. We got one big fat winner in the morning, but you know, we've taken like 4 small losses, so it's pretty much just a small red day now. What time is it? 11:12. Yeah, I don't think this market's going to do much, to be honest. Maybe I'll give it 10 more minutes. Perhaps there's another entry here. It's like I said, it seems like it's getting ready for a big move, but you know, it's also 11 a.m. Usually, you know, you have decent movement until 12 p.m., but today it seems like we stopped getting decent movement after the first like 30 minutes. Okay, well, yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see any other trades now. I mean, only potential trades were short. Now that's kind of invalidated, so it's probably switching to long, but that could take another hour before we get not an hour, but another 30 minutes or so or something for a decent setup to form. So, all right, guys. Well, small red day today. Nothing too crazy. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Peace.